What's going on, Francois? Yeah, what up, Francois? Alright, so we're live with our second break of the night, Artifacts 1718. Did you like your case break of Anthology? Did you like it?
Of course I did.
You want to do another one?
We're moving on with Black Diamond.
Well, after Black Diamond.
After Black Diamond, I'm always open to some more Anthology.
Really?
Cheap price too.
It is.
Cheapest on the market on buying Anthology at 451.
That's for sure. Break 2259, Artifact 1718, double box break. Let's do this, 2 boxes. Good luck, everybody. So, who's gonna get the big hit tonight? What's your prediction? Pick a team. Pick a team. All right, so I'm gonna pick for you. I'm gonna say the Pittsburgh Penguins. So we're starting with a patch. Jersey on a 3-color patch number 65 for Arizona, Christian Vorak. First pack, we got a patch. Next, we have a dual jersey rookie out of 499 for Ali, Jordy Blondzinski. Third pack, base card out of 599 for Washington, Alex Ovechkin. We have a base card, orange, number 3 out of 20 purple for the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky. Wayne Gretzky out of 20. Next, autumn for Pittsburgh, Sidney Crosby. Pack number 6, base card out of 299 for the Washington Capitals, Mike Gardner. Pack 7, base card out of 599 for the Washington Capitals, Mike Gardner. And we've got a auto fax, one of the best, Tampa Bay Lightning, Victor Edmond.
That's one of the best packs you get.
Yeah, it is. And last pack, we've got the Artifact Rookie Redemption for the San Jose Sharks. It's probably going to be Marcus Ransom. Now that I've seen Series 1, I'm going to say Marcus Ransom. So that was a nice first box. Let's do box number 2. Oh, really? Are you for real? No, you're not going to switch to wrestling.
I just want to see what they did last.
No. Nobody wants to see that. Everybody wants to see Archie. Alright, we're going to start with a patch again. A jersey with a 2-color patch. Jersey number.
Really?
Yep. 51 out of 65 for the Boston Bruins, Ryan Spooner. Good skater. So jersey number for the Boston Bruins, Ryan Spooner. Pack number 2, we have Artifact Rookie Redemption for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Artifact Rookie number 999 for the Detroit Red Wings, Evgeny Zvetnikov. Whoa. What do we have? A base card out of 99 for Carolina Hurricane, Teuvo Teravainen. Next, orange for Dallas, Tyler Seguin. Pack number 6, we've got a dual jersey, number 165 for Edmonton, Milan Lucic. Tough guy, huh?
Okay, be fair with soft ends.
Whoa, soft ends, I don't know. A base card out of 299 for the LA Kings, Dave Taylor. And our last pack, please no random. Please no random. We've got a base card number 599 for the Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. And we've got an Artifact Rookie Redemption Emerald for the Anaheim Ducks. So random for me. So that was our double box break of Artifact. I'll be right back in 5 minutes with our double box break of Series 1. Thanks.